I don't know. And she bites you almost.
Oh yeah.
And I'm like, darn, get off of me. She's trying to just gnawing on me up here. I'm trying to work.
That baby.
It is. I wish you'd come get it and play with it.
Here, go get it. Go play with it.
Where?
Look at her.
What?
Just,
What?
Look, he's right there by him.
Out of the way. Oh.
she wants somebody to play with so bad she can't stand it.
Take a taker. There you go. We did that at the beach, and then I sprayed him before we got on the boat, so he didn't do too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
I did.
You probably had yours on the low side.
Love the bearded dragon. What prompted that?
He's been wanting one for a while, and I was on Facebook and I noticed a friend of mine was a lot cheaper than the pet store, so she went ahead and got it for him.
Yeah.
And he's actually really good. Grady can get him out later and let Jacob hold him, but
Everyone that has one says they're excellent pets.
he gets him out, and well, I say he's only had him for a little while, but past couple of days he's gotten him out and he'll just walk around the house and just sit on Grady's shoulder, and
Yeah.
he don't try to run away. The Brandy, who I got him from, she said their little boy would get him out and walk around the yard, and said he'd just hang out on his shoulder.
Huh.
And Grady gets out here in the yard and catches crickets and stuff for him. And then we'll give him lettuce and stuff in the morning. Get off of me. That was an ant. I thought it was a fly. I got all my yard work done, and I'm like, well, I was like, I ain't got nothing else to do. And I was thinking, it's like, I ain't go ahead and put them tires on my bike. And then by the time I got started on this, Courtney ran to the. She was gonna make some sweet tea, and then we didn't have any tea bags, and neither did Dollar General.
Oh no.
And so, then she called and she said, "Brandon, them's on the way." I said, "All right." I ain't got to ride. I rode about 100 miles when I was at the beach, and then I got back, rode one trip, blowed a tire.
Oh no.
I said, well, that's a good thing I didn't. Usually it happens at the beach. Usually the beach is my arch nemesis. I've wrecked and tore bikes up.
Oh really?
One year I went down and the bearings went out in my drive case. Then another year I went down. I blew a tire out. Then let's see. One year I went down and I wrecked. Tore my or bent my back wheel and had to take it and have the spokes and all refixed. And this one, I mean, it had a couple pretty good chunks in it. They went down to the fork. A couple good chunks in it.
Yeah.
And so I was riding on them, and I'm like, man, I hope these things might make it. I don't know. Here in a little bit.
Mr. Matt wanted to bring some hotel bits, so they had to swing by some stores and get stuff to make it.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're doing a crop pot and bringing it here, or they're going to cook it there and then bring it here.
They are the tires that popped.
So what, anybody have them?
What are you gonna do with them? Leave them laying in the yard?
I don't know.
Huh?
I was gonna play with them.
No, you ain't.
You just
Where's the part?
You got toys you can play with. You don't need.
Where's the part where it popped at? Stop it, cat.
I don't know why it's doing that. It's over here. Take that cat over to Olivia. Right there, see?
Yeah. It's bad. Stop it. You see?
I think you're not coming home with me, though.
It's cold.
I'm just happy you cooked it.
Watch out for it.
Oh, listen, he's purring. Oh my goodness.
Was y'all inner tubing or just riding on the boat?
A little both.
Did you get on inner tube?
Yeah, never really did.
That was fun.
We went out.
We've done it since we went to Smith Lake with everybody.
That's been forever ago, ain't it?
Yeah.
I was telling Courtney, I said I could borrow Dad's boat. I think I only have like 5 or 6, maybe 7. I can't remember. Like we're 6. The thing is, it's only got 5 seats.
Yeah.
So I guess like it could probably have more, but you only got 5 seats. Hey, go play, buddy. And so I was like, we got Dad's boat. I said we could take it out about whenever we wanted to. Hey, Jeremiah, go play. Thank you. And so we just don't ever go out. But we had a blast. We went out for, I guess it was Memorial Day. We went camping with Becca and them, and they got a boat. So we went out and inner tubed all day.
That looks fun. Yeah.
And had a blast. But I was like, man, I'm gonna feel rough next day. But it really wasn't that bad. It really wasn't that bad. They got some new inner tubes. They got some of the ones that you can sit on your knees and hold.
Oh.
And the ones they had were, man, it was like you had to hold on for dear life because it was hard to stay on them summer guns.
Back and then have the kind that it's a seat, like you lean back.
Oh, you just sit there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Yeah, I can say that is nice there.
I've never been on one of those. And then 2 Rokus, like the ones that go from the Roku stick to the TV. Kind of the important.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. Hours later, it said, I'm looking for 2 cats for my 2 boys. Like they're like 10 and 11. I thought, perfect, brothers for brothers.
Yeah.
Because they were bonded, so I wanted them to go together, but I knew that might be hard. But not, it wasn't hard at all. We met her at Calhoun, and it was perfect.
You said about an hour later?
Well, about 2 hours later.
Yeah.
It wasn't long. Not long at all. I didn't post it to my personal page or anything. I got a bunch of nuts on mine, like, why are you rehoming them? Don't you love them? You're supposed to work extra. You're supposed to get 2 jobs. Just insane. Like, no, they're animals. I'll get 2 jobs for my kids.
Yeah.
I get 2 jobs to take care of animals.
Yeah. I just need them to go somewhere.
Right. Be different if it was like a frontier, or like a farm, and I have to take care of them. That's different. These are cats, dogs. No.
Yeah.
They ain't giving me eggs or milk or nothing.
Yeah, it'd be different if they were contributing, huh?
Yeah, they ain't contributing nothing. They're tearing up things. As you did with Dylan.
Oh yeah, especially for tearing up stuff. Y'all gotta go.
The longest tail I've ever seen. You do.
Come on now.
Have to find.
That other one went on there just right. Man, let some air off maybe.
Brandon, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
That first tire.
Grace is gonna smell you on me.
Y'all still riding?
We ain't in a while, but
Yeah.
we still got them.
I need to get back out there and get back on.
It's so hot. It's hard to get in the mood to go.
I rode, well, let's see. It's been about a month or so ago now. Levy was gone. I rode it down to the store.